My name is Scott Nolan, and I'm a criminal defense attorney at the firm of Carluzzo, Rockkind & Smith. I handle every kind of criminal defense case, ranging from property crimes, drug crimes, domestic violence, traffic, and DUI. Not everybody who's accused of a crime, even a felony, is necessarily going to go to jail. It depends a lot on their record, depends on the facts of the case. Those that are facing a realistic probability of jail, we can still do a lot to help mitigate that. We can negotiate with the prosecution. We can attempt to set that person in a better position. Perhaps if it's a drug crime, we might get them into some sort of drug counseling. If it's a financial crime, we could try and work with them to fix the financial difficulty. There are a lot of things that go into a judge or a jury's decision about jail. And so there's a lot that you can do, provided you get to it quickly and that you understand the people who are going to make that decision. So I think what makes me different as an attorney is a combination of experience and the personal touch. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I've worked in every court in Northern Virginia, the federal courts. So I've got a lot of experience with the criminal law, but there's also the aspect of communications with my client. My clients are important to me as people, and I try and stay in communications with them so that they understand what's going to happen. Understanding what their situation is and trying to ask them, what is it that you want out of this? Because not everybody wants the same thing. Helps that communication flow, helps to make them feel better about their case. It does not cost you anything to consult with a good criminal defense attorney, but it may cost you a very great deal if you don't. So I recommend you call someone that you trust and talk to them today. I offer a free strategy session to anyone that wants to come in and talk to me about their criminal case. I'll evaluate it from beginning to end. I'll tell you, first of all, what it is you're charged with, what that means. We'll then go through step by step, figure out what happened, what you can do about it, identify any real difficulties or obstacles you're going to have, and give you some options, give you some plans, try and find out what it is you want to accomplish, and then sort of lay out a roadmap for how we're going to get there. In a lot of firms, when you hire a criminal defense attorney, you're going to get a team. You're going to get a senior attorney, you're going to get a paralegal, you're going to get a junior attorney, and they might all do different aspects of your case. In a small firm like mine, when you hire me, you get me. I'm going to work on every aspect of your case. I'm going to be the person that talks to you on day one, and I'm going to be the person standing next to you every time in court. I will be your attorney from start to finish.